Musical sticking. Percussionists use different types of sticking to get around their instrument or play different types of sounds, and it helps you increase your speed and your coordination to get whatever sounds you need. The musical sticking you're going to be trying is just different patterns of rights and lefts. So you're going to get really good at reading R's and L's. We recommend doing these repeatedly because the more times you repeat it, the more your muscles learn it. So let's do the first one. It's going to be 8 on your right hand, and I'm going to count 8 sets of those 8s. So make sure you have good posture, your feet are shoulder width apart, your shoulders are back, you're nice and relaxed. You're the correct place on your pad, right on the center or just off center is fine. And I'm going to be doing 8s on my rights. Count out loud with me. 1, 2, ready, bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's our second set. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more. Here's 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure you're bouncing. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now switch to your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2. Is your palm down? Do you have a triangle with your body shape? 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3. Make sure everything's relaxed. Here's your 5th set. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you're bouncing still. Good technique. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and ready, stop. Good. Being able to stay on one hand for a long time lets you check your technique. But now we're going to make it more challenging. Let's change every 4. Both sticks up and ready. Good posture, good grip. Relax those fingers, relax everything. And we're going to go 1, 2, and starting on your right, go right, 2, 3, 4, and left, 2, 3. Make sure they look the same. They should both be bouncy. Left, 2, 3, 4. Here's your 3rd set. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. If you can, count out loud. 5, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4. Keep bouncing. Check that grip. 8, 2, 3. Here's your last 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job. All right, the next one we're going to do actually has a little name by it in your book. It's called a double stroke, and this leads to a double stroke roll. Doubles because it's 2 on a hand, and eventually percussionists learn how to do these really fast and bounce them. Kind of cool. But let's start with 2 kind of slow. Keep that steady beat, and 2 on a hand. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2. Here's your second set. 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 2, 5, 6. Nicely done. The next one is labeled single stroke roll. Just alternate your hands. Make sure you use good technique throughout. 1, 2, ready, alternate, go. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check your bounces. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5. Triangle with your body and palms down. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7. Holding with your thumb and your index finger. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're finally done. The next one is a very special rudiment called paradiddles. And officially, it's a single paradiddle because there's only one on each hand. We're going to go right, left. That's the para part of the name. And then diddle means two on one hand. Para, alternating, did. And once you've done a diddle on one hand, then you need to go to your next hand. So the full sticking is right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. I encourage you to say the sticking while you play it. We're going to try to do 8 right now. If it's a little bit too fast for you, try it slower on your own until you can work with the video. And with all of these patterns, if you want more of a challenge, you can go faster. But don't go faster until you're getting the correct technique. All right, paradiddles. 1, 2. Say the sticking out loud, ready, and right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Here's your second set. Left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Third set. Right, right, left, right, left, left. Fourth set. Right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. This is 6. Left, right, right, left, right, left, left. 7. Left, right, right, left, right, left, left. And 8. You made it. Right, right, left, right, left, left. Nice job.